3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a toucan. Toucans are like the colorful, beak-wielding artists of the tropical forests. They have a large, brightly colored bill and often come in vibrant plumage. Toucans are known for their love of fruits and seeds and are excellent tree dwellers. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a tapir. Tapirs are like the big-nosed, gentle herbivores of the rainforests. They have a rounded body and a long, flexible snout. Tapirs are known for their love of water and are excellent swimmers. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a honeybee. Honeybees are like the diligent, buzzing workers of the flower garden. They have yellow and black stripes and play a crucial role in pollination. Honeybees make sweet honey and live in intricate hives with a queen bee. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a wombat. Wombats are like the sturdy, burrowing bulldozers of Australia. They have short legs, a stocky body, and they love to dig tunnels and live underground. Wombats are known for their strong teeth and ability to chew through tough vegetation. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes are like the hissing, venomous serpents of North and South America. They have a distinctive rattle on the end of their tail, which they use to warn potential threats. Rattlesnakes are skilled hunters and use venom to immobilize their prey. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a pronghorn. Pronghorns are like the speedy, North American sprinters of the grasslands. They have a tan coat and striking white markings. Pronghorns are incredibly fast runners, second only to cheetahs, and they can easily escape from predators.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos.